Hi, welcome back to part 2 of the video live streaming for law enforcement demonstration with the Soliton Zao-S product. So you can see from part 1 we introduced it. Part 2 now we're looking at the unit all set up. So you can see I've mounted the Zao-S into the backpack, so it's now firmly mounted in there, and I've got the modems connected. In this case I've only connected 2 cellular modems, so the bandwidth will be a little less data throughput. And I've got the HDMI cable coming from my DJI controller into the top of the Zao-S there. You can see on the display, I can see a small video window that confirms to me that the video that my camera is seeing is coming all the way to the Zao-S, so I get a little preview window. And then this is the software on my laptop that will display the live video stream. So in this case, all I have to do is tell it to start. The system will then link through the network to my laptop, and you can see I now have live video. I'll see the speed of that, the bit rate going through. It'll take a little while to ramp up, so it may take 30 seconds to get to full speed. I can see that I have 315 kilobits per second now, 580, so it's ramping up quickly, and I have over a megabyte of data throughput, so 1 million bits per second. So the video is up there. If I want to see the video in full screen, in this case, I have a touch screen which is supposed to bring the video up. There you go, bad fingers. So now you can see I have the video on display here and on the controller. So you can see the latency if I adjust the controller. There's about a second delay right now, and I'm at 2 megabits per second. If I had a third modem in there, my signal would be even better, but as you can see, I have full resolution on there and very minimal latency. Software package here is the Cloud View. You can see it says Cloud View. That's slightly different than the direct point-to-point. This goes through Soliton's cloud and actually allows me to have up to 12 units connected to it. And interestingly enough, it also allows Android or iOS devices to stream live video fully AES 256 encrypted as well. So for units that are looking to have officers deployed with smartphones, you could also live stream the video fully encrypted back through this system. Many different options are offered in terms of the level of security you need in your network, whether you can tolerate any cloud services, and just how much infrastructure you want to look after and pay for. It's a very flexible system. So again, if you're looking for a video live streaming solution, remember you're looking for something that has high resolution, high compression, so you can get that high resolution signal pushed through, low latency, and AES 256 encryption to get a best-in-class system. If you need any more information, feel free to contact me at Blue Force UAV. You can go up on our website and you'll also see contact information there. And you can also contact Soliton directly. There are distributors across the country. Thanks very much for your time. I'm Brian Fentiman with Blue Force UAV.